Hey yeah, boy. Hey yeah. Hey yeah, boy. Hey yeah.
Me and money go together. Loved her since I first met her.
Here's my massive new subwoofer. I wish you guys could get an idea of how big this speaker is right here. Like, it's 2 times bigger than an MTX 9500 or Ryan HCCA. The magnet on this thing is the biggest I've ever seen. The speaker itself, just the sub, weighs 135 pounds. So this is just a little sneak peek. I'll be hooking this up with my CT Sound 7000x1, and we're gonna see how this thing does it, how it's gonna handle 7,000 watts. This is rated at 5,000 watts. And I have the adjustable arrow port. Right now it's tuned to 29 hertz, peaking at 29 hertz. So, yeah.
Too many whips at the crib, ran out of parking spaces. And I only like blue cash on money races. I call my G-Wagon Soldier Boy. Watch me cook it. Soldier 60 pointer dog, collar chain going crazy. Too much drip, you gotta pay me. Give me that. She like girl, there go Glock with them big old diamond watch. Jumping out that Audemars, baggage in my watch. I got baggage when I talk. Bitch, I'm richer than your boss. I don't know what the fuck you know. I'm steady, son, the nigga playing with them niggas. And if you play your like boy, don't forget. Bitch, I get it, stack it, flip it, make it triple. Yeah, my little nigga, shine your head for a nigga. I get yanks, that's for shizzle, that is me. When my sister smoking drinks, playing flipper in the bank. With some bitches, no we ain't taking bitches, bitches keep on taking liquor. Crippin' on my pickle, drunk his bitch keep trying to lick me cause I came outside today, one-on-one. However you wanna play, choppers on choppers on choppers. I live with the bank, comes on, yeah.
Make a short video and show you guys the size difference between this Kicker L7 and this 7 SS5500. Just look how big the size difference is. And I know most people know a Kicker L715 isn't some little small lightweight. But look how freaking massive that speaker is. And I did weigh it. I didn't realize that it weighed less than I originally thought. I'm gonna put the phone down for just a second so I can put this on the scale and see how much it weighs. 123 pounds. So there you go. It's a humongous freaking speaker.